Okay, we have a Johnford DMC-2100 vertical machining center, gantry style. Got a T-slotted table. You have 80.7 inches of X, 51 of Y, 31.5 of Z, 24,000 RPM, HSK spindle, HSK 63 taper, and you have 40 tools. We're gonna run it for you. Right now we're running at 8,500 RPM, very, very quiet. You have a full enclosure, but the door opens up very wide so you get full access to the table. Table size is 86.6 by 43.3. Again, you get over travel on the wide of 51 inches to reach the OD of the parts. Machine has a Hein & Hein I-530 TNC control. It has a chip auger and also chip conveyor, feeding out to a chip conveyor. Tool change. Okay, take a quick walk around. Machine was new in 2013. Thank you for watching our video.